What's up guys, Bullets Garage here. We have another beautiful 80-degree day here in Chicago. Sunny skies, no rain. This is the kind of weather we're talking about for middle of April, right? Nah. Shitty weather, not hot, no sun in the sky, but we're in the garage doing some work. Today I am going to do a review of a new wheel cleaner that I got. I saw a couple of videos on Facebook. BDP, I believe this is made by the people that make Dip Your Car. So I'm going to be testing it out on no other than my Gsf wheel, which is very dirty. I mean, absolutely filthy. So we're gonna read the instructions, see what it says, if they want us to pre-rinse the wheel or not, and then we will get to checking this out. Because most products that I use on the Gsf wheel, since they are so dirty, I do need to use a brush and to get all the barrel and the spokes and everything. So I'm not expecting anything different from this product. I'm pretty sure it's not going to get all the crevices, get all the brake dust out, but I just want to see, compared to the other stuff that I was using, if it's any better, any worse. So we'll get right into it, guys. Alright, so the product says to spray it on a dry wheel, let it sit for 2 minutes, and then power wash away. So let's get on into it. Let's give her a nice spray down, and we will see what this product is able to do. And now we'll wait for 2 minutes, and I could already see it turning some areas purple. That's the chemical reaction. So we'll wait 2 minutes and we'll come back. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. Let me bring you in closer so you can see a little better. So let me pressure wash this off and see how much dirt it actually got off. Alright, so honestly I think it did a fairly decent job. The only small areas is like in here where it's a little more caked on. But the face of the wheel is all pretty clear, so this is pretty good. But as always, I always use my brushes and stuff to get it in between, because I'm a perfectionist and I like to have it sparkling clean without having dirt in any of these ridges. So I'm going to go back over it, clean it up, and do the barrel. But so far, I think this is a pretty good product, and I will... that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Please subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next one.